That's how easy it was for me to become a millionaire, just by investing my first $10,000. Look at you! You've got the entrepreneur bio, the aesthetic desk setup, and you've spent 3 weeks picking the perfect hex code for your logo, and yet your bank account has the same activity as a graveyard at 3 a.m. Why? Because you're treating business like a lottery ticket when it's actually just a brutal, boring mechanical process. Most of you will fail before hitting $10,000 because you're addicted to vanity metrics. You think 1,000 followers means you have a business. Newsflash, followers don't pay rent. Likes don't buy steak. You're chasing engagement while ignoring friction. Friction is every confusing word that stands between a customer and the buy button. If your checkout process has more steps than an Olympic race, you've already lost. Stop decorating the store and start fixing the plumbing. Getting to 10,000 isn't about vibes. It's about 3 levers: traffic, conversion, and retention. That's it. If you don't have a mathematical plan for how $1 becomes 3, you don't have a business. You have an expensive hobby. Most startups today are just people playing house. They buy software they don't need to solve problems they don't have. Find a painful problem, build a boring solution, and get out of your own way. The final boss isn't the market, it's your brain. You're scared of looking salesy, so you hide behind content. At some point, you have to ask for the money. The 1% who make it are the ones who can handle being told no 100 times without crying. It's mechanical. Input, output, repeat. If this hurt your feelings good, it means you're still conscious. You can keep tweeting about your grind to your 3 cousins, or you can actually build something. If you want to join the resistance against being broke, hit that subscribe button, or don't. Go back to your deconstructed chai and your participation trophies. I'm Jimmy Finance. See you in the next one.